Hi everybody, welcome to Crafty Aims Workshop, and today I have a new project going on, or getting ready to go on, and I'm really excited about this one. So without further ado, let me go ahead and show you what I'm about to start. I've never done anything like this, and I'm hoping it is a success. So, 1, 2, 3. It's a box. So this I got at Hobby Lobby, and it is a DIY dollhouse miniature. It is called Summertime Cottage. It's a scale of 1/24. Let's see, the measurements are 13.78 by 2.56 by 11 inches. I originally wanted to get a 1/12 scale, but for me to get that, I would have spent $100 something to do that for the house that I want to get. And so I thought I could get some really good practice out of doing these already pre-made kits. And so I am going to try this. This is by Mayberry Street Miniatures. And as I said, I got it at Hobby Lobby for $36.99. And so let me get into it. Actually, let me get closer so you can see the picture of what it's supposed to look like versus what I make it look like. I may make a major mess out of this. Like I said, I've never done this before. Another thing that I'm excited about is it does have some electricity going on through it. And that's another reason why I wanted to do that, because I am clueless as to how you put electricity in these miniature houses. So this is a project I've been wanting to do for years and years and years, and I'm finally getting around to it. So let's open it up and see what it is that I am going to be getting myself into. Okay, so it's pretty packed in there. I don't know if you can see. There's a whole lot of stuff. So the first bag I'm pulling out is little teeny tiny things. Ooh, I'm so excited. Ooh, there's a little chair, it looks like. I don't know if you can see that. There's a little hobby horse right there. So there's that bag. That's that big. The next one looks like chandelier type stuff and bedding stuff. Oh, I'm so excited! Yay! Look, oh, there's the wiring for the electricity. I hope their directions are good, or I'm just going to make a big flop of this. And look at all the little pretty flower things, probably for the lamps and different items. Oh. Okay, oh good, they give you glue. There's clear glue, and this one is white glue. That's nice. They even give you scissors. Oh, that's even better. I mean, they give you scissors, a razor, a ruler, tweezers, and a Phillips head screwdriver. That's nice. Didn't expect that. I'm sure it says it. Oh, it does say it on the back. I just wasn't looking at it. The next bag. This might be the stuff for the... Yes, this is for the roof. This is all the things I'm going to need for that. And there's some more wiring. big parts, which are not very big. And the walls. And you better believe I have been on YouTube watching people make homemade doll houses. I actually did make start to make a cardboard house. And I will show you guys that, because I don't know if I'll finish it and then show you, or if I'll just show you where I'm at in the process and then continue on with it. I might do that. But that's, I was making a bakery with that one, but I just never finished it. So here's the booklet to show me what I'm doing. So let's check that out real quick. And if you guys, please tell me in the comments below if you've done any of these, and how difficult it was. Give you a picture of that while I'm looking at this book. Did you have a hard time with it or no? Here is the book. There's the player piano, or not player piano, a grand piano. That's pretty nice. I can't wait. I'm hoping it turns out. Directions look pretty good. Here is one of the pages. They look pretty self-explanatory, and there's not, I don't know if you can see. Let me do a different picture so you can see better. So you've got, this is one piece here. They're telling you with the corner, put that piece there, or I don't know, I'll figure it out. But, they're giving you the arrow. So you don't even have to read. You're just looking at pictures and going with the flow of what's next. So I think that might work out. I think I can do it. So you have got the look of what I am going to be doing next. And probably sprinkled throughout the time I'm doing this, I'm going to put other videos out. I don't know yet. I haven't decided fully how I'm going to do this, because I know it's going to take a while. Oh, here's some of the flooring, the walls. That's a carpet for the floor. This is for the pool. Ooh, looking at that picture, you'd think that pool is a whole lot bigger, but that is the bottom of the pool. So not very big. My mind is thinking 1/12, but it's not. It's 1/24. Here's another one. Okay, this makes more sense. This, I wonder if this one is for a dollhouse. Is there a dollhouse in there? I don't see it. I guess we'll find out soon enough. So I wonder what that one is for. So we'll find out. So there's that one. And I'm assuming, okay, yeah, I'm going to be cutting all this stuff out. It's not already where you just rip it. Thank goodness. I'm glad it's not the ripping kind, because I just usually mess those up. So there's that. And there's the whole thing. So the house is going to be fitting on this portion here is going to be the house. This is pretty much like the porch area, I guess, and then this will be the house area. So it is pretty small. And then this is the materials list, which is quite a bit. This, I'm not sure what this is. I guess we're gonna find out. Oh, maybe that's telling you what each one is without writing it on the piece. So they're telling you what which one they are, so you can follow the directions correctly. Okay, so that's good. So it's a map. All right, guys. So there you have it. I am getting ready to make a miniature house, and I hope you guys can come along with me with the through the adventure, and hopefully I will do it justice. So please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you can't wait to see the progress of it. And if you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to push that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up and comment down below. I do want to know if anybody else is doing these, and tell me how easy or hard it was, and if you have any advice for me. Alright guys, thank you so much. You have a great day and keep crafting. Bye!